Nebius Group, ticker NBIS, just ripped 307% year to date and trades at $113, a jaw-dropping 517% above its 52-week low. So here's the question that everyone's asking. Can this thing actually keep going? Or are we staring down an AI bubble in disguise? Because when a company grows revenue 625% year over year and signs deals with companies like Microsoft, that's not just noise, that's a statement. And here's the kicker. At a roughly $29 billion market cap, Nebius isn't cheap. It's got a beta of 3.45, meaning it swings 3.5 times harder than the market. That's not volatility. It's a roller coaster with no seatbelt. Now, of course, everyone is watching the Microsoft deal, but for me, I'm watching something different. Their cost of revenue is quietly dropping from 210% to 62%. And that's a shift that I think most of us are missing, and it could tell us whether Nebius is scaling smart or setting up for a crash. In this video, I'm going to show you the signals behind the noise so you can decide if Nebius deserves a spot in your portfolio. Hey, what's up? My name is Orford. I've been trading since 1999 and I am not a financial advisor. That's a good thing. I don't do hype. I break down the numbers so retail investors like you and me can make smarter, more confident decisions with our money. I want to thank The Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. The Motley Fool is a company that provides investing insight and stock recommendations for investors of all skill sets and risk levels. And you all know how much I love researching new stocks and trying to find the next best investment. So I'm proud to partner with The Motley Fool to bring you 10 stock picks from their popular product, Stock Advisor. Stock Advisor has beaten the market by almost 6 times. Go to fool.com/Rico to get your 10 stock picks right now. With all that out of the way, let's get into it. Nebius Group is building a vertically integrated AI cloud that acts like a supercomputer and grows like moss. And that metaphor isn't random, it's deliberate. Moss doesn't explode overnight. It spreads quietly, layer by layer, until it takes over everything in its path. And that is exactly what Nebius seems to be doing in AI. Today, Nebius ships NVIDIA GPU superclusters, ultra-fast networking, and innovative cooling. And this enables teams to train and serve AI models quicker and cheaper than ever before. What does this mean in English? It means that they're giving startups and enterprises the firepower that only the biggest tech players used to be able to have. And that is a big deal in today's AI arms race. They developed an AI studio with an open AI compatible API and paired it with no-code and vibe-code workspaces for generative AI. Platform teams get the heavy lifting done for them through managed services, which saves engineers the hassle of managing drivers and upgrades. Basically, Nebius is selling speed, and in AI, speed equals survival. Nebius Academy is also training startups and researchers so they can level up with practical AI know-how. So Nebius isn't just building infrastructure, they're building an entire ecosystem. And now the question is, how far can that ecosystem spread before competition catches up? The company has been in the spotlight as institutional investors have increased their positions in Nebius stock. Its popularity and 64.3% increase in stock price might have something to do with its recent deal with Microsoft, but I think we need to take a closer look at how the company is being valued. Because when big money moves in quietly, it's rarely by accident. Now, institutions, they don't chase hype, they chase signals, and it's something that we discuss at length in my Discord server. So let's have a look at how the stock has performed as of late. Nebius stock currently trades around $113, which is up over 516% from its 52-week low. That's what I call a vertical chart. And whenever you see one of those, you have to ask yourself, is this momentum or mania? But let's not forget, the stock's temperament, right? It's got a 60-month beta of 3.45, which means it tends to swing about 3.5 times what the market does each way. And that volatility, as I said, works in both ways. And for action-hungry traders, that setup is really part of the appeal. Now, if we step back a bit, the price action screams repricing, which is also evident in their 52-week range. Year to date, shares have gained 307%, signaling durable momentum with buyers continuing to step in as each milestone is reached. With their next earning call scheduled for October 29th, the stock is expected to move around 13% up or down. So what's powering the stock price? Well, to answer that, we need to look at the financials. Nebius's top line recently went vertical with its second quarter 2025 revenue surging 625% year over year to $105.1 million from $14.5 million in 2024. That's not growth, that's ignition. They also reported net income of $502.5 million from continuing operations versus a loss of $116.9 million in 2024. And that flip from red to black, well, that's the kind of thing that gets Wall Street attention fast. Now, if we zoom out a little, we do get a clearer picture. In fiscal 2024, its revenue increased 462%, climbing to $117 million. It was just $20.9 million in 2023. And it's more than 10 times the $13.5 million they reported in 2022, which is breakneck growth by any standard. In the bottom line, though, you'll start to see that they took a severe loss of $641.4 million in fiscal 2024, compared to making $241.3 million in 2023. So this begs the question, is their growth really sustainable? Because here's the thing, right? In tech, early growth is easy. Profitable growth, that's the war. While they are scaling, and they did spend $807.7 million in 2024, of which $671.8 million went to investment activities, it was way higher than what they spent in previous years. Also, the cost of revenues decreased to 62% of revenue in 2024, down from 153% in 2023 and 210% in 2022. So they're shifting towards a positive gross margin, and it's becoming cheaper for them to generate revenue. And that is exactly what I'm watching. Cost efficiency trending down while revenue surges. And that's the early signal of operational maturity. If the trend holds, I think Nebius could become an AI giant. So with all that out of the way, is Nebius stock a buy? Well, to answer that, let's see what the analysts say. A consensus among 7 analysts rate Nebius stock a moderate buy with a high target price of $206. But here's what I see. At a roughly $29 billion market cap, Nebius is priced for the future. The stock sits near the top of its 52-week range, which means investors are already excited about the company's capacity buildouts and increasing partnerships, like the one that it has with Microsoft. The business is spending to lock in infrastructure that could compound revenue for years. Now, that premium only makes sense if their execution can stay on schedule. So now I ask, will they deliver or are they going to dilute? Keep watching, stay tuned, because I'm going to break down what the next earnings call could reveal. But what do you think? Do you believe in what Nebius is doing? Let me know in the comments below. And while you're there, if you found the video helpful, do like and subscribe. It'll help others find the video, it'll support the channel, and you won't miss out on any of my future deep dives. Well, that's it for me today in this video. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.